Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this button maker machine. I've already taken it out and kind of played with it because this thing's really cool. So I've got my daughter here to help make a button. What comes in the kit? You actually get 100 different button patches that you can make. You got your metal tins, you have your backgrounds, so you'll be able to pin it actually onto you. You have a customizable paper cutter. So this you can actually move this little blade and it spins in a perfect circle the size of the actual button. You have your machine. Here you get your transparent film on one of these. So you get all your transparent films to put on there. And then you also get some pre-cut circles as well. Little extras, you get film paper. So some of these are just really cool laser paper. You get some that have hearts. You get 3 of them that have hearts, and then 3 that have like a geometric kind of shape on it. And then just a bunch of extra paper and designs that you can use within the paper itself to make little stickers. So we are going to cut one of these out and show you how it works. So bringing you in here a little bit closer, we went through and picked out our little design right here. And now we're going to use the adjustable cutters. And they do actually supply extra blades too. So we're going to line this up. And you do want to make sure it's on a surface that you don't want to scratch because this is a blade. So I'm going to put something underneath of there and then circle the blade around. Perfect circle. That worked great. And now we've got our film. So we're actually going to use some of this geometric shape on here. So we're just going to cut out a little square here and then do the same thing on this. And you really don't have to push that hard on here. It just kind of glides right across. So now that we've got our little guy there and we have our transparent film, you can just take the film off of here and put your laser film on top of it. And then you have a pretty design over your button. So now we're just going to layer this on here. And you can actually do this where it is a full piece as well. So now that I've got my cutout, we're going to take this metal tin and put that right here with our cutout. And then we are going to spin this around to get it underneath the machine. And then we're going to push down. And then that, did you get it all the way down? And then that's going to seal the button top to that label. Now it's going to hold on to it because we have to actually put the part here, put on our actual clip. So this on here says upside. So now we're going to stick that down in that hole. And then we spin it and press it down again. We have a button. So you can actually design any kind of button that you want to do. And this would be really great for giving away as gifts or giveaways for anything like that. Little camps or birthday girl, just whatever you're wanting to do. These are really neat buttons that are very easy to make and super customizable.